all. This video covers Chapter 7, Permutations and Combinations. Learning outcomes. By the end of this video, you will learn about the technique of counting. What is permutation? It is an arrangement of a group of objects in a particular order. So, in permutation, the order is important. Now, let's start with technique of counting. Multiplication principle. If event A occurs in m ways and B occurs in n ways, the number of ways for the occurrence of event A followed by event B is m by n. This technique can also be applied for more than 2 events. The total number of ways then will be m1 times m2 times m3 until m of n. And m1 here represents ways for event A, m2 for B, m3 for C, and mn for event of n. Now, let's try a few examples of this technique of counting. Example 1. In a computer game known as Maze of Tunnels, there are 2 tunnels leading from point A to point B, 3 tunnels leading from point B to point C, and 4 tunnels leading from point C to point D. Calculate the number of routes a rat can take to move from point A to point C via point B, and B from point A to D via point B and C. Now, based on this diagram, we can represent M1 as 2 choices of tunnel from point A to point B, and M2 will be 3 choices. From this one is from B to C, and M3 will be 4 choices of tunnel from point C to point D. Now, to answer part A, the total number of routes that the rat can take is actually 6. How do I get 6? By using technique of counting. So if you look here, the first choice is using tunnel 1 from A to B and B to C. So this will be first, this will be second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So now we can say that the number of routes that the rat can take from point A to C is 6, where M1, which is 2, will be multiplied by M2. So 2 times by 3. In total, there will be 6 routes for the rat to take. Now, for part B, number of routes that the rat can take from point A to point D via point B and C will be M1 multiplied by M2 multiplied by M3. So, 2 times 3 times 4. And here the total will be 24 routes. Move to example 2. There are 3 pictures A, B, and C to be hung in a line along the wall. In how many ways can they be arranged? So the diagram here is one of the ways of hanging the pictures. So there are 3 positions for the pictures to be placed: 1, 2, and 3. Here I'm going to show you another way of writing the answer. We are going to use boxes. It is actually the same as the previous method, only that we put the number in a box. So 3 boxes for 3 pictures, and we're gonna write 3 in the first box, meaning 3 choices of picture, and 2 in the second box, cause there will be 2 remaining pictures left, and 1 on the final box because only 1 picture left. So we multiply all these numbers together and the result will be 6. So that's it for technique of counting. See you on the next video. Thank you and bye.